Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to play Rust on Xbox. Download Rust from the Xbox Store, sign into your Xbox Live profile, and ensure you have enough storage space. Launch the game, follow the tutorial prompts, and customize controls for comfort. Join a server that matches your playstyle, practice building and resource gathering, and use voice or text chat to communicate with allies. Take it slow and learn the mechanics at your own pace. Start by tweaking control sensitivity and dead zones to suit your aiming style, then enable aim assist if you want a gentler learning curve. Customize button mapping so building and combat feel natural on your controller and test settings in a safe area. Configure audio and voice chat to match your social approach, and turn on subtitles if you need clearer information. These simple tweaks make a big difference for long play sessions. Prioritize gathering wood and stone right away to craft tools and build a quick shelter for safety. Focus on basic resources, secure a small base with a locked door and storage boxes, and craft a workbench to unlock better items. Learn to balance risk and reward by avoiding hot zones until you have gear, and practice stealth and situational awareness to survive raids and encounters. Small habits prevent big losses.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.